This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing two things, the GIF and a converter. If you have FFmpeg installed, great, it gives the cleanest result. Once done, verify the GIF dimensions and duration so linked in friendly MP4 settings are clear. If you prefer web tools, pick one that outputs H.264 MP4. Make sure the output will be at least 600 by 300 pixels and under 100 MB when possible. Now you're ready to convert. I'll show both quick web and FFmpeg commands. Next, convert the GIF into an MP4. This is the only reliable way to post animated content on LinkedIn. If using an online tool, upload the GIF, choose H.264 codec and MP4 container, then download the result. If using FFmpeg, run the command shown on screen and add a scale filter if dimensions are odd. Once converted, play the MP4 to confirm smooth looping and correct colors. Make sure the file uses YUV 420p for wide compatibility. Finally, open LinkedIn and create a new post. Choose the video attachment option and select your MP4. You can write a caption, tag people, and add hashtags before posting. Once uploaded, LinkedIn will process the video, make sure it plays and loops as expected. If processing fails, re-encode with lower bitrate, shorten duration, or reduce resolution. And if colors look off, re-export with YUV 420p and check the scale filter. That single tip usually resolves upload errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.